Hi, welcome to AutoCAD Systems AutoCAD Essential exercise video. In this video, we're going to learn on how to draw a piping pipe. So let's get started. In order to start the drawing, we have to draw a circle with radius of 225. This circle will be the reference, the middle line of the arc. Next, we're going to do the straight line from the center point to the quadrant. We will draw an extra length of line with angle of 135. I get 35 is due to 180 minus 45. Now we can trim all the unnecessary lines. Next, continue drawing lines to the left with the length of 112.5. This is how I got the number. And then draw a straight upward line with length of 37. Then continue with the horizontal line with the length of 225. Then go down with the length 37. Now we can trim this line. The next step is we will offset the arc created just now with the length of 65 to each side. Next, can trim the unwanted line. And then I'm going to add a straight line with the length of 47.5 at each side. Now I'm going to select those three lines to offset with distance 37. Next, I'm going another straight line to close this rectangle shape. From this intersection point, I will make a straight line perpendicular to the bottom line. This applies to both sides. Next, I'm going to offset another line, but this time with distance 10 and extend the straight line until coincide to each other. The next step is I'm going to offset the middle line of the arc with distance of 44 for each side for inner wall of the pipe. Now I will copy this line and paste at each intersection. Same for the top of the pipe. I will just copy from this line. The next thing I want to do is to apply fillet onto the pipe. So the first fillet will have radius of 10. This applies to this side, and this side. Next, enter command of fillet with radius 15 and apply to all this edge. Now it's time for me to trim all the unnecessary lines and then apply hatches onto the outside area of the pipe. This one I need to adjust the scale of the hatch so that we can see the hatches clearly. That's how we complete the drawing of piping. Thank you for joining this lesson and see you on the next video lesson.